Welcome to part 3 of our UStream video tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll give you some of the advanced features that you can use during a broadcast. We left off setting the preferences for our show, and now we can go and broadcast. So we're going to hit broadcast now. I'm going to skip the Twitter feed. I am going to allow UStream to use my camera and microphone. Right now I have the camera set to be DV video, which I have set just looking out the window. I could change it back to my webcam and see myself, but I don't want to, so let's look at what the DV video camera can see. What we want to focus on today in this video is the text and video tab. You can add text and video clips to your broadcast. It really adds great functionality to your UStream broadcast. So if I click this tab, I see that I could add a new text layer. I could add a new YouTube video, or I can add a new recorded video. This is if you've already recorded a show previously. You can now show a clip of it in this new broadcast. So let's first do a text layer. So I click on New Text Layer, and I get what looks like a little mini word processor. I can change the font. I'm going to change it to Arial. I can change the size. Let's change it to 20. I can bold, italicize, underline, etc. I can choose the text color. So let's choose black. I can choose the text background color, so I could do a very faint gray if I wanted to, and even add a shadow to the text if I want, and I don't think I want to do that right now. But what we can do is type down here in the box, here is some text, and then we click on Add, and we add that. And it gets added up here to our Live Video tab. So now we've got the option of Show Preview or Push on Air. So if I show the preview, only I can see it. The rest of the world who is watching cannot. So you can see my text box. I can grab the corner and I can stretch it a little bit. I can change the shape. I can move it around. Most times you're going to want to use text as a bottom third. So let's adjust this to be a bottom third. Okay? So if I push on air, what that does is make the world that's watching my live feed see the text. So if I click on push on air, now everybody watching the show will see this text. Another interesting thing I can do with the text is to have it scroll. Right here, I can choose a scroll speed. I can have it scroll slowly or faster, and I can adjust that. And you'll notice now you can see the text scroll. Okay? And once again, it's all adjustable. At any time, I can change the color of the text. I can change the background of the text. And I can even add a shadow to the text. And I can change how fast the text scrolls. So adding a text layer is a really nice feature of UStream. And I think a transparent background might be best right now. Now, if I want to get rid of this, I can go up here and I can say take off air. And if I don't want to see it anymore, I can click on hide preview. Another neat thing that UStream allows is adding video to your feed. So if I click on this, you will see that I could add text, which we've done. I can add a YouTube video or a pre-recorded video, a show that I've already recorded. And if I click on YouTube, then I can paste in a YouTube URL, or I can even search for a YouTube video. And I'm going to search for ASB Unplugged UStream. And I'm going to click return, and notice there is a UStream video that matches that search because I created it and uploaded it to YouTube. So here is a little video, okay? So what I can do now is select this video, click on the select key, and now that it's selected, I can add it. And when I click add, it shows up here. And just like the text layer now, I have the option of show preview or push on air. And if I click on show preview, here you see the video. Okay? And just like the text layer, I can adjust how big the video is. I can make it full screen if I want, or I can just have it sitting superimposed. And I can adjust its size. And when I'm ready, I can push that on the air. So now I'm ready to click push on air. And down here, we have controls. So when I click on play, then that video plays. Okay? So these are some really neat features of UStream. And again, I can take it off by clicking on Take Off Air. And I can also get rid of it altogether. And in the next video, we'll even learn how you can co-host.